What's up, guys? Welcome to my video. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, mostly styling services, but an occasional shopping haul when I feel brave enough to pick out clothes for myself. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back, for your comments, your likes, all that. Thank you so much. Okay, so today we have Stitch Fix. Yay! Everyone's favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's definitely up there. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling service. You fill out a style survey and then a stylist sends you 5 items. You keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. There is a styling fee of $20 that does get applied to anything you purchase unless you get offered the Style Pass, which is $49 for a year of fixes. You get 3 days to decide what you want to keep and make your decision, and then send back what you don't want and check out online. They do allow you to extend your due date. Oh, you can see this, huh? I'm filling a Transcend at the same time, and this is one of the shirts I'm trying on, so that's great. Okay, so I always extend my checkout date because I take forever to film the video and post it and then just make my decision sometimes. So that's great that they let you do that. Almost a couple of weeks they let you extend it. So that's become a really bad habit that I do. But and then the other thing, I mean, you can order at different frequencies. You can go monthly, quarterly, at, you know, whenever you choose. I'm set at every 2-3 weeks because I want them to send me all the Stitch Fixes that they can. They do send you paperwork with the price sheet and style cards to show you how to style it, and then a mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. That is enough intro for you. If you want to know more information, you can go back and watch some of my other Stitch Fix videos, but let's go ahead and dive right on in here and see what we have. They always beautifully bundle their clothes. I like the color I see down here. I love green, I love stripes. Okay, so this is looking good to me so far. Okay, so first off, by Emory Park, they have this ivory and black striped shirt, rounded hem, and this crossed front on it. I've actually had pinned on my Pinterest a very long time the Emory Park shirts just because I think they're cute, they're affordable. Usually, you know, these are around 30 bucks or something like that. So I like that price point. So let's see how that fits, but I like the looks of it. Next up, we have this beautiful green cardigan, and it is just a kind of a straight front cardigan, which I do like. It does have pockets, and this is by Love Ellie, and I like this a lot. The only thing that might not make this a keeper is I've already got a cardigan in this color, though it is a little bit shorter. Does that qualify to get a new one? I don't know, but definitely my color, so my stylist did a great job of picking that out for me. Next we have a big black thing, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a dress. Oh, and that it is. All right, so we have kind of this net top, and this is actually a maxi dress. Goes all the way down, does have slits on the sides. Okay, that only goes up a little bit, probably to the knees usually. And cinching in the waist, so we'll see if this is this petite. Yeah, so this is by Market and Spruce, and this is a petite, so we will see how well this fits, because even petites can be long on me sometimes. So, but I have been interested in getting some petite maxi dresses, so maybe. All right, next up we have by Just USA, we have a denim jacket, and you know, kind of a medium washed, medium to darker wash to it, no distressing. So I think that's really cute. I already have a denim jacket, so I don't know if I need one, although mine's a lot lighter. I think mine's even shorter. This is kind of a longer one, it looks like. So we'll see what that's like when I get it on. And a beautiful pair of pants. Okay, this is Lakeview Denim, which I have not heard of. And kind of the coral color, which is just beautiful. I love this in a denim. And it's very, very soft. Very soft. So I'm very happy with that. 25. I don't know if it's petite or not. It doesn't look like it's petite. So we'll see, you know, how the length is on these. They might be a crop or something. So, all right. Well, I like everything in this box. Like, I like it a lot. So it'll just be a matter of, you know, what fits into my wardrobe. You guys know the drill. So, all right, that's my stuff. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, I loved everything that I'm wearing out of the box, but on is a different story. And this is the beauty of getting to try before you buy, because things that you think you will love, you end up not loving, and vice versa. So the denim jacket, I just feel like it's too big. It's an extra small, so I can't size down. It's too big. I don't really need one anyways, but I do like the dark wash on it because I think mine's kind of a lighter wash. So I do like that. I like the jacket, just not a good fit for me. And then we have the Emory Park striped shirt. Again, one that I've had the Emory Park shirts pinned forever, and then it just didn't end up fitting that great. It's actually a little bit big, so I kind of have been doing a lot of like adjusting it to try to get it to lay right. And then even trying to get the cross front to lay right hasn't been super great because I just think it's a little bit big. It's longer than I expected, and then most importantly, it's more low cut than I expected. So very comfortable, very soft, cute, but just not a great fit for me. The pants. Now, I love the color. This denim feels very, very soft, so I do appreciate that. It's got a bit of stretch to it. It is a little bit long. Now, I probably would have kept these, but spoiler alert, in another box, I may have gotten a pair with the exact same color that are the perfect length. So I'm not going to get a pair of these that are a little bit long when I have another option that is a better length. So, but I think these feel good. I don't have any complaints about them. I'm not sure. The waistband is great on it. I don't have lots of extra room, so I do like that. I don't know that trying on this particular brand made me go, oh, I'm a Lakeview denim girl. I like them, but there's nothing about them that really jump out on me other than I love the color. So really excited about getting a pair of this color. All right, let's try the next outfit now. Okay guys, I have the cardigan and maxi dress on now. Now the cardigan I think it's a good fit. It reminds me of the cardigans that I have gotten from Bad Habit Boutique, which typically those are, you know, like $20, $25, so they're really affordable through them. And so my guess is I probably won't end up keeping this just because one, I have one very similar, just a little bit shorter, and then two, I feel like I could get this almost exact same cardigan from Bad Habit Boutique, and you know, probably what's going to be about half the price. I have no idea what this costs, but my guess is probably going to be about like $50 or something like that. So I like it, probably not going to keep it. I think what I probably will end up keeping though is this dress. So it's a maxi dress. It's a simple black one, though I can do lots of things to add some color on it, color purse, color jewelry, color shoes, and then obviously cardigans. So I think this is cute. I don't mind the netting on top. I'll probably wear clear spaghetti straps with it, and nobody will be the wiser. I don't think anybody's looking at me that closely. And then most importantly, the length is perfect. It doesn't touch the ground. So I will be able to just wear some flat sandals with this, and it's just a great summery dress, even though it's black, it makes it versatile. So I do kind of wish this was in a different color, but I think I liked it enough. I probably would want to keep, I don't even know what this costs, but assuming this doesn't cost so much, I think I'll want to keep this, and then I might request it in another color. We'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the prices and decide what to keep. All right, guys, well, that was a great box. Let's go over prices and decide what we want to keep. So, all right, so this is fix number 20 for me. That's crazy. I can't believe it's been 20 already. All right, let's start at the top of my pile here. All right, this maxi dress. This is the Market and Spruce Bliss Mesh Detail Maxi. Knit maxi, I don't know if I said that right, it is $78. Now originally I was thinking maybe it was going to be like $50 or something like that, and I was fine with that. $78, I just don't think that I want to pay $78 for this maxi dress. It's not going to get a ton of use. I may think about requesting this in a different color because I think it's, you know, I like the dress. Black is obviously very versatile, but it's not very exciting and summery, so I would potentially be willing to pay more if it was a different color. So I will consider requesting this in a different color in a future box, but I'm not going to keep this for now. Then we have, this is the Love Ellie Elisa Open Cardigan, and it is $38. That's a great price, but I already have a cardigan this color, so it's just a little bit longer. I don't feel a need to keep that. Then we have the Just USA Lula Denim Jacket, and it is $68, and it was, you know, a bit big on me, and I already have a jean jacket, so I don't really need another. So that's not gonna stay. And then we have the Emory Park Dolce 3/4 sleeve cross front top in off-white, and it is $38. I like how affordable the Emory Parks are, but it ended up being a lot deeper V than I expected, and the crosses didn't really sit all that great, so I'm not gonna keep that either. And that leaves the Lakeview Denim Alex Colored Skinny Jean in Coral, $58. Great price, and I would 100% have kept these if, spoiler alert, I didn't already get these in another box that I like a little bit better. So, wow. So that was me not deciding to keep anything, I guess. You know, since I got the Style Pass, I've actually bought something every single box, and everything here I love. Everything's my style. It just is either I already have it, which it's 3 out of the 5 pieces are just I already have it. You know, one piece wasn't a good fit and the other piece was just too expensive. So I think I'm actually going to send everything back. I mean, it's so weird to actually love everything and then not buy any of it, but I think that's what I'm going to do, guys. The total for the box is $280. The buy all discount is 25% off, which takes off $7, so $70. And so if I did buy everything, it would be $210. So, okay, well, I guess I'm not keeping anything, though I loved everything. Almost everything. So, sorry, Stitch Fix. Great job. Great box. I don't know what to say. All right, hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video, even though I didn't end up keeping anything. Again, if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself and you want $25 off your first box, then you can use your referral link below. And hopefully you guys like this video, so please, please, please give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.